Here's the mini Backscene I was talking about last week. Can you see it? I had to get creative right here because this corner sticks out, and I just tore some paper, and that kind of fools the eye from a distance. It certainly fools the camera, not from up close like this, but if I back out, I mean, you know it's there now, but it really blends. I mounted some trees, some of the new trees in the scene. There's one right there. In fact, it's kind of one of my favorites. I'm going to move the camera. I'll be right back. It has kind of a twisted trunk, and I like that. Some of my favorite trees have twisted trunks. In fact, the old oak tree over here has got a very twisted trunk. I think we settled on calling that an oak tree. Several discussions on Facebook. On the Farland Howe page and on the Model Rail Network, I think. There's another of my new trees, the 5 new ones right there. It's not a very it's not a particularly exciting tree, but it's a lovely little tree. I thought I would give it a home right there. And there are 2 more of my recent custom trees over here on the Backscene, which I'll show you. So just, I'll be right back. There's the torn paper. If you ever need to make a collage with uneven edges, just tear it. Looks pretty good, actually. It looks natural. There's another of my 5 new trees. And there's one more. Oh, you can't see it. I'll have to move the camera again. I'll be right back. Oh, there's 2 of them, actually. There's one there. And there's one over there. You can kind of see the Backscene undulating along here. And that's the way I painted it, to make it disappear behind the trees. One of the things I really like about that tree, the big one, is that you can clearly see the shape of the trunk. And the trunk is interesting, twisted, and tortured.